I would like to show you my cloud-shried lilies. These are members of the Horticultural Division 2 Martagonender hybrids, and this is the earliest lily in my garden. You can see it's already in buds. And the other interesting thing in Martagons that they have these whorled leaves, and they're very early flowering. So I assume they might be blooming for me at the end of April, early May this year, because the weather is very warm. The other hybrid I have is not looking that great. It's Guinea Gold, and it has a dark brown and yellow flower. Cloud-shried has a very dark vine purple flower. And the other interesting thing is these Martagon hybrids have they don't have a pleasant smell. The flowers are a little bit stinky. So keep in mind that these flowers might be pollinated by moths or other insects which are very particular of the flower fragrance. I also have some other lilies. These will flower only at the end of July. These are oriental hybrids, Lilium speciosum var rubrum uchida. So these will only flower late July, early August, hopefully. But these Martagons look great. I am very happy about them. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, you can subscribe, ring the bell and leave a comment. And there are also some interesting links in the description below if you want to know more about lilies and get some professional advice from people who grow lilies for decades now. You can check the link and become the member of the society if you like. Thank you again. Goodbye.